Hey guys, welcome to Tech. In this video, I'm going to be talking about top 5 books for product management. If you're someone who's trying to break into product management or is someone who's already a product leader, I've personally read each of these books and I feel they've added great value with respect to me becoming a better product manager. These books cover everyone, someone who's aspiring to become a product manager and someone who's trying to improve as a product leader. I'm going to be talking about the kind of personas each of these books is suitable for and a little bit of also what each of these books talk about. So ensure you watch the entire video. Let's get started. Number 1, Inspired by Marty. Cagan. So this book is specifically focused towards product development. It talks about how top tech companies like Google, Amazon, Tesla design and build their products. It also talks about various frameworks and ways in which the readers can improve with respect to product development. For example, helping you build roadmaps. It also talks about early stage startups that have either achieved or are trying to achieve product market fit and the strategies they implemented in order to get there. Regardless of where you are in your product career today, this is the book that you should absolutely read as a product manager. Second book is The Product Book by González and Anon. This is a great book for people who are aspiring to become a product manager or already are a product manager. It helps you prepare for job interviews, meaning it helps you break into product management, but also transition into a better product role. It talks about how a product manager works and collaborates across different teams. It talks about frameworks that help you build products. It also helps you from a go-to-market perspective by helping you understand how to launch products. If you are an aspiring product manager or someone who's already a product manager, consider reading this book. Number 3, Escaping the Build Trap by Perri. This book is focused towards user experience. It talks about the issue of outcome-centric planning, which is how companies focus on shipping products or features that offer little or no value. It talks about how customer centricity and user experience is important. It talks about ways in which a product manager can validate user idea before actually going through the drill of building that feature or product. Number 4, Shape Up by Ryan Singer. The book is focused towards product strategy. It talks about how if you can shape a project or a product earlier, an independent team can solve any problem and finalize it in the next 6 weeks. This book is focused towards getting the strategy right before actually going ahead and building the product. So if you're someone who's currently handling product strategy and growth, this is the book you may want to read. Number 5, Measure What Matters by John Doerr. This book is focused towards product leadership. It talks about goal setting using OKRs, objective and key responsibilities. What is great about this book is that it talks about OKRs across product lifecycle. For example, if your product is still in ideation, you may have different OKRs. Versus when your product is in hypergrowth, you will have different OKRs. How do you define OKRs across different product lifecycle? It also takes a bunch of examples on how OKRs have various tech companies scale faster and effectively. These are the top 5 product management books I would want to recommend. You can find link to each of these in the description. If you are interested in knowing top 5 product management podcasts, check comment section for the link. Find a link in the comment section. But if you like this video, consider subscribing to the channel, dropping a like to this video, and I'll see you in the next one.